Hey, and welcome back to the Northwind Homestead. It is May 2024, another just absolutely beautiful day in Alaska. And a neighbor brought by some asparagus today, and so we're going to plant that in the garden. So with this asparagus, it's going to grow really tall. And so not something you want to have on the south side of your garden. It could block a lot of the light from getting to some of your other plants. And so this is going to go all the way on the north side of the garden. It's actually going to go right there into that garden bed, that #2 box I built, that 4x4 box. So we'll pop her right into the center of that, and hopefully that should be a good home for it for many, many years to come. So with this 4x4 bed, all I did to prep it so far was just a quick little bit of hand tilling. And so I'm going to plant that right in the center here. I'm going to make a nice big heap of compost out of it right here. And then we'll drape her, basically we'll drape her roots right over the top of that compost pile. So let's head down the other end of the garden there and grab some fresh compost. So with this compost, running a 4-bin system like I've mentioned in some of my other videos, I've just recently took bin 1, dumped it into 2, moved 3 and 4 down. So this is year-old compost. It's a little bit hotter than this stuff. This has also been sifted out. I'm actually going to grab some of that hotter organic stuff. The hottest stuff is over there. But I'm going to grab some of that for this project. Now my little asparagus crown here, I'm going to make sure my shoots are staying upwards, and I'm just going to spread my roots out around that compost. And I just actually want some more on this side. There we go, that's pretty even. Just kind of get those guys evenly situated there. This is a pretty cool moment. I've been wanting to get asparagus in this garden for quite a while. So with that said, there it is, it's in. We'll see how it does. I'll give her some water here when I hit the rest of the garden. But here it is, May 20th, and asparagus has gone in 2024. So we'll see how it does. Hey folks, thanks for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate it. If you could give me a subscribe, maybe a thumbs up for the video, just let me know you're out there. If you've got any questions, please fire one off in the comments. I love doing this stuff. I'll probably never get famous doing this, but I just love making these videos. I hope maybe someday my great grandkids will see some of this and realize Grandpa was a complete hippie and just lived a really good life and had a fun time. But yeah, I'm just out here having fun doing my little piece of the world here, and hoping that everything works out well in the end. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you stopping by the homestead, and we'll see you around.